Hi there, I'm pretty excited today because we've got Chrissy Ballinger cooking some of her beautiful home care, body care products with us today, and thanks for that, on the inside. So they come from this book, The Inspired Little Book, which we had on sale quite a while ago for Insider Club members, and we'll probably do that again because it went really, really well. Beautiful recipes, all natural products, and today we're going to be doing the dishwashing tablets, so you can make your own dishwashing tablets. I love that. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Take it away.
So this recipe was born as dishwashing powder, and then I was noticing that it was solidifying in my container under my sink. So I thought, well, if it's going to solidify just in the atmosphere, I'm going to put it into tablets and force it to solidify. Because it wasn't safe getting a knife and hacking at the tablets to get a bit to throw in the bottom of the dishwasher. So it's so simple. It will take a less than a minute of your time if you've got all the ingredients. So what we're going to use are 4 ingredients that are all known to be very good at cleaning and cleaning naturally and safe for the environment. So first thing I need to do is turn salt into my rock salt into fine salt. I use pink salt because that's what I have at home, and I don't buy 2 types of salt. So you can just use rock salt. You could also use table salt if you use table salt, if you're into that. We just don't have it.
So it's just abrasive, basically.
Yes, pretty much. And, that's right. So I'll throw in my pink salt, and with that I'm going to add the citric acid. So not this food grade citric acid. There's no need for that. It's quite expensive. So I do have this as a cleaning citric acid, and it's much cheaper and economical.
And do you sell this on your website?
I do. Yeah, I sell all of the ingredients. So both of these go in together, and I want to make it fine.
So we'll have all the links to the products on the recipe when you look at the recipe.
All right.
Click
so
through.
Throw that in, and just I go for about 10 seconds on top speed. So there are no liquids in it, apart from some essential oils, and I'm going to use doTERRA's lemon essential oil today, which is one of my favourites and known to be great at cleaning. There's no liquid, so it's amazing how it sets, and it's also amazing how many times I get asked, this can't possibly work, it's a powder, do I need to add oil to it? And you just have to trust in the process and that it does actually work. So I'm now adding borax, and natural borax is what I'm adding, and a washing soda.
So what is washing soda, actually?
Washing soda is sodium carbonate, and bicarb is sodium bicarbonate. And again, it's naturally mined, and it's fantastic at cleaning. Awesome in your washing machine as well if you find your clothes are starting to get a bit...
Could you use this in your front loader, actually? In washing machine?
I have a specific recipe for washing powder.
Of course you do.
You actually could throw this into the washing machine because all of the components of it are also good for washing clothes. But I do have a specific one with ground coconut soap in there as well, and without the citric acid. So to that, now I'm going to add the oil.
Quite a good swig.
Yeah, I've taken the dropper off that, and I have added quite a good swig. But
just so you know, this is the cheapest of doTERRA oils. And sold the most worldwide.
I don't know why, because it's brilliant. And so now I'm just going to combine that together till it's fully mixed. About speed 4 or 5. So about 5 seconds, and then what you want to do, and there's no point even trying to keep it as a powder because it won't really stay as a powder. Even though right now it's starting, and it looks beautiful and it looks like a powder, but if I were to leave this in a bowl, it would start getting quite hard and it would start setting. So what you do is you grab any kind of ice cube tray or baking dish that is about a table to 2 tablespoons worth. That's flexible because at the end you want to be able to push it out and not have it crumble. In saying that, if it does crumble, just throw in about a tablespoon worth in each load, and I never throw it inside the little compartment. I just chuck it on the bottom of the dishwasher. So just what you want to do is fill your mould. Any kind of ice cube tray works as well, so long as it's flexible.
It smells amazing.
Yeah, and it's starting to...
It smells edible, to be honest.
It's
but you know me.
Don't eat it, please.
It smells beautiful.
All right. So press it in. You want to pack it in quite tight.
Yeah.
Otherwise, when you
and just keep loading it up.
Just keep loading it until it's in tight, and whatever's left on the top, scrape it back into your bowl and add it to your next tray. These vary on how long they take to completely set. I do say about 48 hours.
Oh, okay.
Because it is really starting to clump already, so I might be able to pop one out.
Oh, you can feel that, can you? You can feel that it's doing it?
Yeah. Like it's getting quite sticky and tacky. All right, so there we go. And once they're packed in, I'm just going to see if I can get
one out.
One out.
Quite a lot there.
There's a lot, so it will make it. I mean, that would fill probably another 3 of these at least.
Easy.
So, and there's 12 per tray. So
So about how much would that cost?
It really, around about. Well, it probably would work out to be about 10 cents a tablet.
Yeah, fabulous.
And when you compare that, and for me, it's the environmental cost. That was my main motivator, but it's always great to save money. And because you're using the same ingredients in your cleaning products around the home, you've just got it, so it's suiting a lot of different purposes. So it's a winner.
Yeah, thanks. All right, we'll show them pop out in a minute. Okay, so they've literally been sitting here for a couple of minutes while we've been chatting, and we can do it, we think.
Yeah, so even after a few minutes, you'll see that it's quite easy to, maybe not that one.
Whoops.
To pop them out.
Yeah.
Now, like I said, I would normally leave them in this for a good 24, 48 hours. So given it's only been a few minutes, it gives you an idea on how it does actually set into a tablet. And I quite like this mould. It's a good shape, good amount for your dishwasher.
Wiltshire.
Yeah, Wiltshire.
I use it for chocolate. But,
Brilliant for chocolate too.
Of course.
The only thing with these dishwashing tablets, if you're noticing, depending on where in the country or in the world you live, your water may be quite hard or quite soft and usually quite hard. And so if you're noticing that your dishes aren't coming out sparkling, try add a tablespoon of citric acid to each load.
Additional.
Or try 2 tablets. Have a play till you find the formula that works for your dishwasher in your home, and then roll with that. So
I don't know, 20 cents a load. I'm not sure if I can spring into it.
It is tough, I know. But it's worth it, I can promise you that.
Yeah, better than washing dishes. Thanks, Chrissy. That's awesome. I hope you're all going to go away and make those.
I hope so.